how to enable or disable a Claude skill. Open Claude and sign into your account. Click Customize in the sidebar. Select Skills. From here, you can see all the skills. Find the skill you want to manage and tap on it. Use the toggle next to the skill. Turn it off to disable the skill. Turn it on to enable the skill. That's it. When a skill is disabled, Claude will no longer use it. The skill remains in your skills list, so you can enable it again whenever you want.